Okay, and then I will put you into it and bring you out few times. Okay, ready now? Make your hand relax.
All these things
I
that
think I
you
asked you to
do,
close your eyes here.
because you have this
Focus here.
natural ability,
Relax your hand.
you're
1,
able to
2,
focus
3, and flip.
and realize
Limp on a relax.
much
Limp on a
more
relax.
powerful
Limp on a relax.
what someone
Limp on a
else
relax. That's right. With each and every breath you exhale, allow yourself to go deeper and deeper. And count from 10 to 1. With each and every descent number, double your relaxation. Make your neck completely loose. Limp on a relax. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Very, very deeply and comfortable relax. That's right. Completely loose, limp on a relax. And now, I want to give you triggers. First, I want to condition you. The trigger is at the count of 3 when you open your eyes. I just use the 2 words, sleep now, I snap my finger like this. It is trigger for you to instantly close your eyes and drop down into deep state of relaxation. I will go 10 times deeper and faster than now. Each and every time I use this trigger for the next 10 minutes, it will only for the next 10 minutes. You will instantly close your eyes and go down deeper. And each and every time I do this, you go 10 times deeper and faster than before. Is it okay with you? I need your permission. Nod your head and say yes. Thank you. So trigger the count of 3 when you open your eyes. I just use the 2 words, sleep now, step back finger like this. Trigger for you to instantly close your eyes and drop down to deep state of relaxation. And go 10 times deeper and faster than now. 1, 2, 3, open your eyes. Open your eyes and sleep now. Very well. That's right. 1, 2, 3, opening and sleep now. Very deep. 1, 2, 3, open your eyes and sleep now. Very deep. That's right. Wonderful. At the count of 3, open your eyes. Feel wonderful, refresh, recharge, feeling better than full. Feel so good you never felt in life before. In fact, each and every you have learned a technique here to relax. Each and every time you practice the relaxation, you find that your confidence, your memory, your concentration is doubling, improving every time when you go into the state of mind and come back. 1, 2, 3, open your eyes and notice something. बापरे मैं डर गया चलो
What do you do?
How was your experience?
Okay. Now, when we did hypnosis, now, let me ask you. If you were aware of your surroundings? No? Anytime if I give you any wrong suggestion against your more than thing, you feel compelled to obey me? No. Anytime she wanted, she can come out. Enjoy that? Yeah, very good. Sleep now. Very deep. Very good. 1, 2, 3, open your eyes, and this will not work anymore.
Oh my God! That's really amazing.
I usually look into your hand. Use your hand, relax. When I say, pull your hand and say sleep, just quickly close your eyes and just drop down to deep state of relaxation. Get ready. 1, 2, 3, and sleep. Limp for relax. Limp for relax. Limp for relax. Each. That's